How to know if a Xiaomi is original or not. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So one of the method is to open up your phone application on a device. So just tap on your phone application and tap on the keyboard or the keypad. Then all you have to press is asterisk hash 06 and hash. So this will just pop up your IMEI numbers and your serial numbers as soon as you type on that. So this also shows that you have the original Xiaomi. Next, what you can do is go to any browser that you have. Here I'm going for Google Chrome, and as you tap on Google Chrome on the search bar, all you have to do is search for mi.com/verify. And as you tap on this, you'll be able to see a new page where you can see you have to enter your IMEI or serial number over here, and then enter the verification code that it sends to your phone or your device, and then tap on verify, and this will show if your product or if your Xiaomi phone is original or not. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.